Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that so simple, only one row repeating V-stitch pattern. This is making always V-stitches, and it's a kind of arrow stitch, but it's so simple from the arrow stitch. It's so easy, only one row repeats, and you can use that every project which you want. It's reversible. You can make it like me, 2 colors or multicolor yarns or only 1 color. It's your choice. You can adapt that everywhere. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our simple V-stitch pattern. Let's start to crochet. I will use in my pattern Madame Tricot Paris Favori. It's 100% of acrylic yarn. And one ball is 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 230 yards, and 210 meters. It's equal. 100% of acrylic, and its size is 3. They recommend us using 4 or 5 millimeter hook. It's washable. You can make ironing. Do not put tumble dry machine. I use 4 millimeter hook for show you a pattern. I hope you like it because it's so easy and so useful pattern. You can use it everywhere. First of all, we need multiples of 4 chains. Make a slip knot with 2 single crochet. Then make multiples of 4. If you want to make a baby blanket, minimum 90 centimeters. If you want to make a throw, minimum 1 meter and 10 or 20 centimeter. It's minimum. You can make it for as long which size you want. I make my single crochets. It's not so tight. I'm not making so tight or not so loosey. Okay, be careful about that. I will make 40 chains and turn to you. I made 40 chains and add only one time 2 single crochet. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 and insert into the 4th one and make a double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3, yarn over and insert into the same stitch. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, skip 3, insert into the 4th one. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3, yarn over and insert into the same stitch and make 1 more double crochet. I make V-stitch first row. 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the 4th one. Make here 1 double, chain 3 and 1 double. Skip 3, insert into the 4th one. Make a double, chain 3 and make 1 more double in the same stitch. Complete this first row like that. Come to the end, I will turn. I come at the end and left here 1 stitch. It's for the our sides double crochet. We finish double. I'm not close that stitch. I will take my second color. Of course you can keep crocheting same color, but I want to use a second color. And I will close that 2 loops with the second color and tie it, chain 3 and turn your work. Count as the sides double. yarn over and insert your hook that our first row, chains row, which we make that V stitch here. Grab my yarn, lose it, and make a double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same chain rows, stitch, and make a double. Yarn over, come to the second V and insert that your hook, that stitch. Make a double, chain 3, and make one more double. Yarn over, come to the next, insert your hook from the bottom of that V, which we make that V, this stitch, make a double, chain 3, and make one more double. This is the second row. I complete it and turn to you. I come at the end. This is my last V. I insert here, grab my yarn and a little lose it, make a double, chain 3, insert into the same stitch and make one more double, yarn over and insert into the last double crochet, stop and make a double crochet and lose my loop here. This is our finish of second row. Now turn back to that right side and insert my hook from the top of that double and take this yarn and take a loop here. Not make it so tight, okay. Be careful that chain 3 and count as first double. Now after that row we will repeat always same thing, all the rows. Yarn over and I will insert my hook. I'm working only chain 3 spaces, my own color. I'm on cream and I will insert my hook from the cream's chain 3 space here. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same, make one more double. Yarn over, come to the next V and I will insert my hook. Cream, first colors, chain 3 space, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, yarn over and insert into the same and make one more double. Yarn over, come to the next and insert from the chain 3 space of first color, make a double, chain 3 and make one more double. Always make your V's which color you work with, that, okay. If you crochet with first color, you will insert your hook from the first colors before of previous rows. Keep crocheting like that. Come at the end, I will turn to you. I complete third row. Now come at the end, yarn over and insert into the last stitch, pull through 2 and take the second color and close them with it. Chain 3 and turn my work. Yarn over and do the same thing. I'm working with second color, so I will insert from the second color's chain 3 space here. It's a little hard to find that, but when you repeat and repeat, you can make it easily. Chain 3 and make one more double here. Yarn over, come to the next V and insert from second colors, chain 3, make a double, chain 3 and make a double. Yarn over, come to the next, chain 3 and make one more double. Complete it like that. I complete and I will show you first color one more time. Always we repeat as same as I complete it and turn to you. I complete with double crochet, then turn back that side, insert from the top of that double crochet and take my first color, chain 3, count as the first double, yarn over and insert from the first color's chain 3 space. Here, grab my yarn, pull through 2, chain 3 and insert into the same stitch and make here a V stitch. Yarn over and come to the next V and insert from again first color's chain 3 space. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, chain 3 and insert into the same and make one more double. Do the always same thing. I will grow it up a little more and show you. It's so easy pattern, only one row. I hope you like it. I complete and turn to you. I complete the sample, chain 1 and cut my second yarn. Then close with the last row with first color. Insert into the first stitch, take this yarn and chain 1. Then insert into that stitch and make a single. Then here we have 3 stitch, make 3 single. Then insert into that stitch and make a single. Then make here 3 single crochet and make in the stitch a single crochet. Complete that with single crochet and you can finish your project. I complete it and turn to you. Chain 1 and cut it. We complete our stitch. It's reversible and so easy, only one row repeat. You can make it easily and you can use your projects, cardigans, blankets also, or which project you want, you can use that. It's so simple. Of course you can make it only one color or multicolor yarns, or you can use every row different color. It's your choice. I hope you like and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.